No, beta, maybe it's some network issue you are facing. My camera is on and everybody is visible to me also. Okay. Just log out and log in if you have some problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, students, can I start the class? Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. I have only one book, so can I write revision
That
book?
no problem. You can write in that notebook. Okay.
Ma'am, only maths book. Can I write in the maths
Where are you,
notebook?
Ahana? Where is your revision notebook?
Ma'am, I am in my Nani house, Hyderabad.
Okay. Okay. So, students, as I told you, to please, if those who have revision notebook, take out revision notebook and both the notebooks, revision and maths notebook. First, we have to take out the revision notebook. As you know, we are doing the multiplication. So, first, I want you to write the two tables in your notebook, 12 table and the table of 13. So, I will write on the board. You please write along with me in your notebooks. Okay. So first we do the revision of tables, table of 12 and table of 13. Table of 12. Write it in the revision notebook. I will write one line 12 into 1. 12 ones are this way you have to write in a proper way the tables. Not only 12, 24, 36. No.
Ma'am, a revision book, no?
Yes, tables in the revision notebook, and when I will start the concept of today's, that will be in the maths notebook. 12 ones are, what will be 12 ones are?
12.
12.
12 twos are,
Ma'am,
24.
24.
12 threes are.
36.
36.
Please write along with me in your notebooks also. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are
48.
48.
48. 12 fives are
60.
60.
12 sixes are
72.
72.
72. 12 sevens are
84.
84.
84. 12 eights are
96.
96.
no.
96.
12 eights are yes.
96.
96. 12 nines are
108. 108.
108. 12 tens are
120.
120. Please write this in your maths revision notebook, everyone. 12 and repeat after me along with me. 12 ones are
12.
12 twos are
24.
24.
24.
12 threes are
36.
12 fours are
48.
48.
12 fives are
60.
60.
60.
12 sixes are
72.
72.
12 sevens are
84.
84.
4.
12 eights are
96.
96.
12 nines are
108.
108.
12 tens are
120.
120. Please write in your notebooks, everyone, and please turn on your cameras, everyone.
Ma'am, can we start the 13 table?
Yeah, you can start the 13 table also. Can I erase the board and write the table of 13?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
13 ones are
13.
13. 13 twos are
26.
28. 26.
13 twos are 26. 13 threes are
39.
39.
39.
13 fours are 52.
13 fours are
52.
52.
52. 13 fives are
65.
13 fives are 65.
65.
13 sixes are
70.
13 sixes are
72.
no
78.
78.
78.
78.
13 sevens are
Ma'am, what?
13 sevens are
13 sevens are
91. 13 eights are 104. 104. 13 nines are 117. 13 tens are 130. Can you all repeat after me with me along?
Yes,
Yes,
13
ma'am.
ones are
13.
13.
Hansel, are you writing in your notebook? Okay, good. 13 ones are
13.
13 twos are
26.
13 threes are
39.
13 fours are
52.
52.
13 fives are
65.
65.
13 six are
78.
78.
78.
13 sevens are
91.
13 eights are
104.
13 nines are
117.
13 tens are
130.
130. Very good. Done, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who have done, they can close their notebooks and now take out the maths notebooks, classwork notebooks.
Ma'am, I am revision notebook, so
Same notebook,
I
no?
am
You
not.
write in the same notebook. Your problem I have already understood in the beginning. Write in the same notebook. Those who have one notebook only, write in the same notebook. Can I move to the next now? Can I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone completed. Kiana, you completed. Kiana,
Yes.
Varenya, Varijya, Hansil, Dhir, Arnav, Bhakti, everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Can I
what's the
erase?
heading?
You can erase.
Now we will do the multiplication sums. As you know, we have already started multiply 3-digit number with the 3-digit multiplicand with the 1-digit multiplier. Yes or no?
Yes,
Kiana,
ma'am.
you are with the 2 IDs.
No, ma'am. I
Now
have
you
shut down.
okay. Now can I erase? Now take out your maths classwork notebook, write the heading. Just a minute. Multiply. New page, right? Multiply 2-digit. Multiply 2-digit number by. This is heading. Multiply 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. Means the multiplicand and the multiplier both are 2-digit numbers. Okay. Now you students have to one by one give me one sum each child so that we will do the practice of these type of sums. 2-digit multiplicand. No, don't raise your hand. Lower down your hands. Anna, lower down your hand. Okay, I will call the child name. That child will answer me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, lower down your hand, Kavisha. We'll give you a chance. Any problem? Any difficulty you want to ask? No. Okay. Yes, Laisha. Laisha, you give me one sum. 2-digit multiplicand and 2-digit multiplier.
28
28,
multiply by 36.
36. Okay.
I
See, children, here in the wait a minute, Arnav. 28, you will say, ma'am, why you not writing 36 up and 28 down? In multiplication and in addition, if you write a smaller number first or a bigger number next, the product will be same.
Same.
Okay?
But we can't do in
Subtraction. In subtraction, the bigger number always, yes. But in higher grades, when you go, you will learn how to subtract from the smaller number also and how the value will come. It will come in minus.
I'm
So that
borrowing.
we learn in the higher grades. Okay, can I do the sum now? We will start doing Laisha. Laisha, start telling me now 6, 8. Arnav, yes, ask. What is your query, bacha?
No, ma'am, I can say the answer.
I will call your name. Yes, Laisha. 6, 8
48. So the 8 will be down and 4 will be up.
Hmm. 6 twos are
6 twos will be 12. 12 plus 4 is 15.
15.
No, sorry. 16.
16. Now we write the 0 here because this is 36. So only हमने 6 से multiply किया है. अब हमें 30 से करना बाकी है. So when we are multiplying any number with the number having zeros, so हम long process ना करके इसको 30 मान के we write the 0 here. Right? Now I am multiplying only with the 3. क्यों? Why I am writing multiplying with the 3? अगर मैं 30
Ma'am,
से
because the 3 is over.
yeah, but this
Multi-
is 30 plus 6 is 3, right? Is 36. So 6 से आप मल्टीप्लाई कर चुके हो, अब 30 से करना बाकी है. क्लियर? दैट इज द रीजन जब 30 से आप किसी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे मींस आप पहले 0 से करोगे. व्हेन 0 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द नंबर्स ऑफ द मल्टीप्लिकेंट तो ऑटोमेटिकली 0 आएगी. इसीलिए हमने डायरेक्टली 0 लिख दी है यहाँ पे. नाउ वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग विद द 3. क्लियर? You student know the concept behind this कि हम 0 क्यों लिखते
Yes,
हैं and why we
Yes,
are
ma'am, we know.
yeah, this is the concept behind this. Now we multiplied with the 3. Clear? Now we will multiply 3 8s are 3 8s are what will be the answer?
3
Right,
is 16.
Ma'am,
Huh?
24. 24.
3 8s are 16.
Ma'am, 24.
Laisha, which dreaming are you beta? You said 12 4s are is 15, 3 8s are 16.
Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am, 24.
24.
We are removing this carryovers because you will get confused which carryover that carryover is already added, so I removed it. Either you can cross it. So 3 8s are 24.
I have cut it.
So you write the 2
will be
here.
up and 4 will be down.
3 2s are
6 plus 2
plus
is
2
to 8.
8.
Yes.
Now you have to add them. 8 plus 0 8.
8.
6 plus 4. Laisha will only answer me. 6 plus 4.
10. So the 0 will be down
One
and
will
1
be-
will
8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10. This is the product. In each sum,
1000.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
The product, multiplicand and the multiplier. In each sum, हर sum में आपको लिखना है multiplicand, multiplier. First number is the multiplicand, second is the multiplier, and answer in the multiplication is always called product. This question will come in the objective type question that answer in the multiplication is called what? The second number is called what? The first is called what? So please learn them. Do this, then we go to the next sum.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I tell the next one?
I will call the child name. There is no rule in my class. Can I say?
Ma'am, see, we have to write like this only, no?
Huh.
Okay,
It is
ma'am.
coming 29008. Just check.
No, ma'am, 1008.
Yes.
this want to write it is right.
Yes, yes. Please paste the way I have written on the board neatly.
Yes.
Only 4 to 5 sums will come, not maximum that. Please, either you can make the columns or you can writing without the columns. Please neatly do the work. Kavisha, neat work. Good. Can I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I'm writing the multiplicand.
You have not written and still. Bhakti,
No, ma'am, only one word, the multiplicand.
only this thing. Sum is solved, no?
Yes.
Okay. Mir Virani, give me any 2-digit multiplier and 2-digit multiplier.
Yes, ma'am.
You can rub it.
78 multiplied by 64.
Students, please find the answers in your notebook. Start solving this. I can ask the answer from any of the child. Start solving in your notebooks. Here, start solving. Varenya Varija, please, I want you to start solving. Please, fast.
32.
Mohammed Patel, turn on your camera. Meet Prohit, turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am, we have to write the multiplicand, multiplier, and product.
That's the reason. No, I have not erased. In each sum, you have to write. Kiana, what happened? You have some network issue?
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Kiana, can I talk to you?
Ma'am, I also got the answer.
Ma'am, I also got the answer.
I will see. I will check. Kiana, please let me know. You have some network issue today? Not answering. Mohammed Patel, turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Navya.
Ma'am,
Okay, step by step. Step
okay.
by step.
4 8s are 32.
3 up and 2 down.
Yes.
Next.
And
Next.
7 4s are 28. So 31. 31
20,
will
29, 30, 31. Okay. Next.
and put 0, means 0 will come. And 6 8 is 48. No, 40.
48. 4 will come up and 8 will be down. Then next.
Okay. And 6 7 are 42.
Huh? This is 6 8s.
No, ma'am. First it will come to the first answer will come to 282.
Wait. 8 1 2 16 24 32 ना 32 ही तो आएगा बेटा 4 8 जा 32.
Oh yes.
Yes, Navya. 6 8 जा 48 and then
Ma'am,
6
we have
7
written
जा
up. Ma'am,
42.
comes 32.
बेटा वो वाला मैंने 32 का
40.
3 इरेज कर दिया बिकॉज ये दूसरे कैरी ओवर्स है अब.
Ma'am, 47.
6 6 जा 36 6 7 जा 42 42 plus 4 6 7 जा
42.
42 plus 4
Sorry, 46.
46 together will come down.
Yes.
Add them now.
Ma'am, 4,992.
This is right answer.
Put a comma.
Yes,
also.
ma'am, this is right answer.
Please put the comma also in the product according to the Indian system which we have learned. Counting the 3 values from the back and put the comma. 4,992 is the right answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please do it in your notebooks.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Giving you 2
Done,
3
ma'am.
minutes more for the students to write. Varina Varija are not at their place.
Ma'am, can I say the third one?
बेटा पूरा टाइम ऐसे ही निकल जाएगा डिवाइस के साथ खेलने में. वारिन्या वारिजा Please come back to your place, both of you. Meet, turn on your camera. Div, turn on your camera, please. Meet, I'm going to remove you now from my class. Div Patel, please turn on your camera. Varina, Varija, come back to your place. What is happening, Varija? What is the problem? Then why you coming and going? There is no response in the class.
Ma'am, I am at my nanny house, so the network is low. That's
My
why.
dear, please take care. Can I erase the board?
Yes.
Kavisha, give me now. Next third sum.
Yes, ma'am. 92.
Be ready, Prayag, Div, Hit, Rishik. Be ready after Kavisha.
88.
After Kavisha, Prayag, then Div, then Hit, then Rishik. After 92,
88.
88. Please start solving, students. Then I will ask the answer from you all. Solve this fast.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Arnav, give me the answer.
Ma'am, you also.
Ma'am, he got.
Yes, Arnav.
Yes, ma'am.
Ahana, lower down your hand, please.
Ma'am, 8 to the 16. One up. One over.
Up.
6 down.
Upar, what up? Upar.
One
One up and 6 down.
down.
Next is
9, it's 72 plus 1 is 73. 7, yes, ma'am, right, it is. Times that 0,
0 below which number?
6 down.
Then
8 9s are 8 2s are 16. 1
1 up.
outside and 6 down. 8 9s are 72 plus 1 is 73. Answer is 6 6 9 6 9 see 8090
8090.
96, sorry, 96.
Is the product is same, students? Is correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please solve this in your notebooks.
Yes, ma'am.
Please solve this fast. Dirg, are you doing? You both of you are fighting. I will call your parents, Varina and Varija. And you are enjoying.
Ma'am, my son is right.
Please don't give any excuse. I will call your parents now. Varija, if you turn off your camera, you please go out of the class also.
Yes, ma'am.
Turn on your camera and sit. Please do fast.
Ma'am, I went to
Ma'am, can I see the next sum?
No, wait. I have already announced.
Ma'am, I went to my mama cause my screen was very blur.
Okay. Priya, give me.
Is right and done.
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
This is right. Can I erase it?
Yes, ma'am, this is right. Yes, ma'am, you can erase.
Mute your mic, Arnav.
Yes, ma'am. 99
99
multiplied by 98.
multiplied by 98. Solve, students. Fast solve this.
Ma'am,
Wherever you, Mohammed, from long I was calling your name.
not the number 3.
हाँ, 4 so. Mohammed, where were you? I was calling your name that turn on your camera, turn on your camera. You were not listening me.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay.
I also.
I will call. Prayag will explain me. Yes, Prayag.
Yes, ma'am. First, 9 multiplied by 8 is equal to 72. So 7 up, 2 down.
See, children, he is doing 9 multiplied by 8, 72. And if I will do 8 multiplied by 9, 72, it's both the sides, the answer will come same. Next is?
Next, 9 multiplied by 8 is also 72 plus 7 is equal to 79.
Okay. Next.
Automatic 0. Then 9 multiplied by 9 is equal to 81. 1 down, 8 on the top. Again 9 multiplied by 9 is equal to 81 plus 8 is equal to 89.
So when you add them, what is the answer coming?
9,702.
I'm right. It is.
Put a comma
Right,
also.
it is.
9,702. Means if I say one chocolate price 99, what will be the price of 98 chocolates? So if for one is given and you have to find out for many, what you have to do? Multiplication. That is the reason we are learning multiplication. Yes, Bhakti.
The 9 8s.
9 8 72.
You wrote 82.
बेटा ये मैंने दूसरे के कैरी ओवर्स लगाए हैं. Why you are copying me? You start writing, you start solving. अपने आप solve करो. अब मेरे answers को नहीं करो. I have cut the last carry over and write the next. This is the another carry over. You solve it by your own, Bhakti. You know
Ma'am,
how
I
to do
can.
multiplication, Bhakti. Any problem in multiplication? No. So don't look at the board and follow the same thing.
Ma'am, my camera is not working.
Okay. Can I raise?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next time Dev will give me.
Yes,
Dev.
ma'am.
Please
Ma'am,
join
99.
HRM. We will do more practice in the HRM also. Please join HRM. Yes.
Ma'am, 99 multiplied by 99.
Give me some another numbers also. No, 99 we have already done. 56, 86, 72. बहुत सारे numbers हैं.
56 multiplied by 78.
Which number?
56 multiplied by
Means one chocolate is of rupees 56 and you have to find out the price of 78 chocolates. Why I am using chocolates? This is easy for you to understand. You can take 56, one, anything can take an example. One soap is 56. You have to find out the price of 78 soaps. So you can take any example. When one Value for one is given and you have to find out for many, you have to multiply.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
No, that child only will give me. Yes, Dev. If now you are okay to write in your notebooks, are you writing?
No, ma'am, there is some
Still
burn in
burn is
my
there.
finger.
Okay.
Yeah. So I can't uh, take the pen.
Here, are you doing?
Yeah. Ma'am, I can say answer.
And students, I have noted that you all are not doing your work timely and not sending me. Please, many of you are there in the classes. Many of you. I'm not telling it. Let me call the child name, those who are sending me.
Excuse me, ma'am. In that worksheet, I can't able to send it. It is able to send, but the folder isn't a.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
that a folder we know na, that we add work and
Mhm.
then submit.
Hmm.
Attachment is isn't coming.
Why this is happening?
I don't know. In Hindi also it's happening like that.
Ma'am, I want to say something. In my mother phone,
Let me talk with Prayag and then I will come to you, Arnav. Prayag, why attachment is coming? Because I have made the folder and I'm doing in the folder only.
I
And
don't know. In my mother's
which
phone,
worksheet you are facing the problem?
ma'am, in the worksheet, that previous one and the.
Okay, we solve this problem in the HRM. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
just
know
remind
how
me.
to.
Just remind me,
Ma'am,
Prayag.
now
ma'am,
Ma'am, I know how to do
You we
this.
will. You also come in the HRM. We'll discuss. Arnav,
Okay, ma'am.
HRM. Personal problem will be discussed in the HRM.
ma'am, can I tell the a question now?
No, Dev, you have solved. Please give me the answer.
Ma'am, can I please?
ma'am, can I
Thi-
say?
This sum is given by Dev, so Dev only will solve. You come in the HRM, we will do more practice of these sums. Yes, Dev, please.
68 multiplied by 8 is equals to 48.
6 eights are 48. Then
Then 5, 8 multiplied by 5 is equals to 40 and 4 plus means 44.
then we write 0 and start multiplying with the 7. So now pay attention, Bhakti here. Bhakti, what I will do, pay attention here. Then again you will say, ma'am, you have written that. Pay attention here, right, Bhakti? 7 6 ja. What is 7 6 ja there?
And 7 6 is 42.
42. 42. So where the 4 will go? Bhakti. Then I'm erasing this previous one and writing the next 4 here. 6 7 the 42 and 2 here, 4 here up. मैं ऐसे कर रही हूँ, आप अपने वे से या तो इरेज करें या कट करें, इट्स अप टू यू, बट यू आर अवेयर, यू शुड बी अवेयर दैट विच कैरी ओवर इज ऑफ विच नंबर. 7 5
Ma'am, 7 5 are 35 and 4
35
plus
plus 4
39.
and add them, find the product.
Ma'am,
4368 is the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Correct.
Okay. More sums we will do
Ma'am.
in the HRM and I will send you the worksheet based on the concept today which we have.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
Yes, Yug. Any doubt?
Ma'am, today in the HRM we will solve the
What?
in the HRM also we will solve this question.